everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a boy's height of 133 cm at the end of the year. So it's at the end. His height increased by 6.4% during that year. Okay, so there's an increased percentage point here. Percentage increase. Find the height at the beginning of the year. So this represents the 100%. So the 133 cm have been increased by 6.4%. So it's represented by 106.4%. So I'm going to just indicate that. Well, we can do this quick question somewhere, quick step somewhere, plus 6.4% to give me 106.4%, and this is going to be represented by 133 cm, and our objective now is to find my 100%. Okay, so all I have to do is to divide by 106.4%. That will give me 1%. What is the value? Then I just need to multiply by 100. This will give me 125 cm. And therefore, the height at the beginning of the year equals to 125 cm. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.